Hi guys, in this video I want to talk about why I love almond flour so much. First of all, it's gluten-free. You can make cookies, muffins, bread, keto bomb, all these things with it, and it has a glycemic index of less than 1. Wheat flour is like a glycemic index of 71. It's off the charts. But check this out. If we compare almond flour to wheat flour, protein, it has 22 grams versus 10 grams for wheat. Carbs, 19 versus 76 grams. So it's like you're eating sugar. Fat, it's high in fat, 56 grams versus 8 grams. So we want that fat. Fiber, 10 and 2 grams. Potassium, 687 grams of potassium. Here you are consuming all these vegetables, but you probably didn't realize just almond flour will give you some potassium too. Look at wheat has 149 milligrams. Then we have magnesium, 279 milligrams. Wheat only has 25. Calcium, 216. Wheat has 20. Vitamin E, 26. Wheat has 0.8 if it's whole wheat and 0.1 if it's white bread. Okay, so it's basically no vitamin E. So I highly recommend use almond flour in some of your recipes. Put your comments below. Hey, if you haven't already subscribed, press this little button down below, okay? Thanks.